Wow! You look cute now. Go open that camera, go open that camera, go open that camera. Lord, people, look at her. She's so sweet. Damn. These are Chinese bumps, people. You know, who can't wear Chinese bump on
You know it's Chinese bump, who tell you?
There's a country I grew up in there, you don't answer them questions. I know these things, people.
You can do it?
What, plot it?
Do the Chinese bump.
No,
You can do
we
it?
can't do it. But people, this is what we call the Chinese bump. Show them. Show them. Yeah. Fit are good people. Bad joke. Fit are really good.
Tomorrow I'm gonna get the real style out of it.
Alright. So, we're just chilling. So guys, as you see in the title below, tonight we are going to be talking about back in the day, before Corona, when on a Friday night we were prepping for the clubs.
Where did we go?
Where did we go?
Some of the places that we went and enjoy ourselves.
Yeah. So if you're new to our channel, remember to
like, subscribe, and share. Leave a
And
comment and let us know that you're new.
yes, please to press on the red button, guys. Press on it. It's a magic button. Press on it. Yes.
And guess what? We want to thank all the new subscribers for coming to our channel and
Oh,
blessing
yes.
our channel.
Blessings.
We welcome you all.
We enjoy the packages.
Yes.
The packages, guys. I love the packages. You know, it was nice. You know, it was nice packages.
Blessings, guys.
Blessings, blessings. And oh yes, guys, we're at 600 subscribers now.
Yay!
Yeah. And we really appreciate the effort by you guys. We know that it wasn't easy, and you went out there and you told persons about our channel,
Oh yeah.
and they came on it, and we're humbled. We're humbled by that, guys.
Forever humble.
Yes. So tonight, as we said, guys, we're just going to reflect on some good old partying days, partying time before Corona.
Friday night.
Yeah.
Uh, uh.
Our time now. I think right now you'd probably look for your fancy dangles and to wear that, right?
Mama, sometimes probably have 5 outfits on the bed. They don't know which one to choose. Amount of shoes, they don't know which one to choose. And then your style have ready from.
It's a woman thing, people. Women will just fling our gears and we're ready to come out of the place. But the woman, them, them have to do all kind of things that they might impress you. The woman will dance beside you in the club.
One look extra hot.
When I look on them in the club while we the man they beside the woman and say, yo, yeah. Go and look. Yeah. So, name some clubs that we normally used to go.
Well, not behind you, where you talk about we? Me
before.
used to go quad
I used to.
with Asylum on a Friday night. Yeah.
I never did me and she people because them time that we never did meet
No,
yet.
let's tell them we have a girlfriend a rule. Yes.
I never buck up on her in a club yet. I mean, always go to club, I look woman in a big life. Oh, she not dance nobody. But I never see her yet.
You sure you never see me?
No, I never see her. When they see her, I must come over and say, hey friend, let's start to look at movements. Because you go in a club, people. When they see a woman you want to dance with her, you know about the access to feeling you just come behind her and just make little movements. And she look for you and she give her face and you say, oh, that one is not the right one,
We have a crowd we used to go Asylum on Friday, like whole heap of biker. You see when Asylum done early?
Bike, you don't buy back? Yo! You come buy back.
Asylum done early and them go. What is the name? Must be Raytown or something like that.
You don't buy helmet?
No?
Jesus Christ.
We are girl and kind of
Thank
we
you,
not
God.
think about with safety safety.
God, thank you for protect her.
We're not thinking about our safety. We're thinking more happiness.
The pan bike back and push up bumper. Did I push up bumper, Andrew?
Shots and all those things.
Thank you, Jesus. Me catch me capture her. Mama the bike. I tell you. Yeah. So you got asylum, where you go again?
But you don't know where you're going. Stop where you're going.
Paper. My favorite club was, I went to Quad a couple of times.
Yes.
But in Portmore here, you have a club called Ken's Wild Lower.
Ken's still a gone.
But not in a Corona still. But
Well.
yeah, but Ken's, you know, people, listen, of all the clubs in Jamaica, one club that always reign over all the clubs no matter what, Ken's Wildflower always a key.
Yeah.
Friday night, Saturday night, Sunday night, you know, and it was fun, you know, it was really fun. You live near Ken's, you either walk or Ken's, or, you know, you just take a little drive down there, but it was an iron vibe, and we missed the energy, you know, we missed the energy.
When I was in Hanover, my cousin them used to go all different kind of club. Sometimes we have a club like Monday straight back to Sunday. Every night.
I wonder look for
And
them that try to catch mad people.
on Sunday night, we used to go Margaritaville. And Friday night, I don't remember all the clubs done Montego beside, but we used to go places. I don't like to catch man.
The way you say it.
I don't like to catch man, but we go out. We used to love go party. We used to love just have. Sometimes we used to make our own outfits. So we will come out strong.
Was your crew one of those crew where when man come behind them and dance, so not give them some bad face and run them?
No, we did tush, so now we're not upon them only by excitement. We dress hot, I will stand up tush, and yeah, when party get nice and you and the liquor and you go on bad enough, but you know one little really then stand up here.
People will say, yo, we hear them people in the club and say tush and they just buy themselves and you go over there and it's like, you know, sure.
We are quality girl, we know our shop really. So if I didn't tell you this meet, you know, put yourself behind me, that wouldn't be attractive at all.
People interpret that you have they're not attractive really because they're not quality girls.
Yeah, I think probably stand up over the bar, and if 5 girls a par, you send 10 juice over there, that's a 2 round, and then weigh there. And then weigh there with the large. And then after that 2 rounds they're done, you come back with the next 2 rounds. So I'll 20 juice that. Me and my girlfriend then all out. And then weigh the waist road. So
them girls are wicked. I sang up people, sing it. Them wicked.
Kerry, if you watch this, comment down below some of the club that we used to go over there all over. Like every night we used to find somewhere to go.
Then come to
yeah, Ramble, Anchovy, all of them places there.
People then come to drain man pocket. Them time there that my pocket is small, you know. So if I buy 1 litre of your woman, you know, it's important. Me I pray you, me I watch you.
1 litre beer?
Take the second one.
2 litre can't hold me?
Take the second one.
No, that's
so
like,
people,
that's 5 bills.
we buy 1 litre, give them, we watch them, we dance to them. Them say they want the second one, we buy it, we give them, we watch them, we dance to them. But we are looking where I say
2 litre can't catch.
I want go on night, you know. Sometimes people sometimes disappear from here, you know, and you have to look and say, oh, what's she gone?
Because somebody is probably buy, you buy 2, somebody is probably buy 5.
Yo, people, them are Nancy people.
Because we are rolling with friends, and you might just see me and like me, and buy me alone liquor. But what about my friend them? Eh?
Let me not get friend them, you know?
No, but everybody, all of we are parts, so you have to make
well,
all of we. What about
well, my brothers and normally go out here with a look for a group of female and take care of them. But as a one man when you go out, people, you can't go like your boss here and you're rich and I take care of friend and everybody else. When I want you kind of
No,
people.
but guess what?
What?
That end up to impress the girl, them and things there.
But I was not that impressed. People, I was not that
I'm
impressed.
like they have money and say let's see they're hungry.
I want to make it bad enough. But 2 and 3 rounds. She and her 6 and 7 friend then.
Let's say hungry and kill them.
We kill them. Yeah. So we go. So I went. You go Kent. You have been to Kent, right?
Yes, several times I made to go Ken's too.
Oh yeah. After we start there, we go Kent, people. So I never single again at Kent's and walk and look. Go there with the package.
Well, now.
Yes. So we talk about Kent's Quad Asylum. Oh yes, people, and there's a place in Portmore called Port Henderson. Port Henderson.
Otherwise known as.
They call it Back Road. I don't know why they call it Back Road. It's a nice place. It's called Port Henderson. And
There is some cool spot around there. You can
Yes.
go and chill with
cool
friends.
spots. Yeah, it's not only to go around there and look at people who have on partial clothes. Okay, there's cool spots around there. You can go and buy your fish, stop at the bar, drink some liquors,
Yes.
and you can drive slow and look if you want.
Party spot.
Oh, party spots.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm still telling them that you can drive slow.
Oh, you're advertising Back Road?
No, it's Port Henderson stretch. Port Henderson stretch.
Oh.
After you come off of the Portmore tour, guys, you can drive slow and look. But I think because the corona is on now,
But if it's night, don't drive slow, drive fast.
no, if I want a night to drive slow. I want a night to drive slow, because enough of them around there. So you have to keep them night to drive. But that probably can't go on now, people, because as I said,
No, but business are going.
around there,
Yes, people for them to survive.
I'm going to drive around the time to look. This is not going out. Like, turn a lockdown.
No.
Them still around there?
Business after. Your
I-
workplace like that? Eh?
No.
Business
Alright.
still go on.
People comment in the section below if business are still happening on the Port Henderson stretch. We're gonna drive and take a look. You know. Yeah. So yeah. So Corona really come and destroy a lot of good vibes, people. You know, you supposed to some of the private parties them.
Where?
There's somewhere like you get a little vibe say yo one party at one at a place there and somebody invite you in up there.
Yeah, we'll go all both.
Alright.
All both the party.
Well, people, we are happy and
Some places that I went,
I never tell the people again.
party, I would not go there now.
They have no sense now. Me too.
Yes. Think about safety and
Yeah. I think people
more
when
material. You have more things to live for right now.
yeah, when you settle down in a relationship and you have kids, I think your priorities they're gonna change. I think now if Corona wasn't happening, we would still go out, but we'll go out in a manner that is safe and secure and very mature.
Yeah.
You know, chilling, hanging, probably with a few friends or so, and just having fun. Yeah. So people, thanks for tuning in. Again, if you have not yet subscribed,
Please do so now.
yeah. Oh guys, remember to subscribe.
Like the video if you like it. Leave a comment. Let us know that you're here. And remember to share it with a friend. Invite a friend to our channel. We appreciate the love.
Yes guys, and our very first live is coming up this Sunday at 6. It is a meet and greet. You know, we've done over 45 videos so far.
Yeah.
And we feel it's time that we're by the live chit chat with you all. So please remember now to tune in Sunday at 6 p.m. for our live session. Okay guys, we're gonna have some fun.
See you guys. Bye bye.